Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. It has come down a little bit since yesterday, and we're starting to see some signs of recovery, but it's not looking fantastic either. Just kind of preface, let you know that you are better off, I think, holding off. Because again, I sent out a notification to my community recently about the interesting behavior this weekend with a lot of potential altcoins, more specifically the Bitcoin ETF, all that speculation. We're starting to see billions of dollars getting bought and sold consistently, and it's not a great sign. So again, having said all that, I think it's just best to be careful this weekend if you're going to be trading. Okay, so just some friendly advice there, throwing it out there so you understand a little bit more specifically that we're in a situation right now where we're going to see a lot of volatility. Normally weekends are less volatile when it comes to Bitcoin, but I have a feeling we're going to see something different. Anyways, jumping into Avalanche here, kind of looking at, this is the last 7 days of trading. We can see roughly we're looking at $44 as a good approximate for the highest point which the price goes. And then of course we can see $39 as the lowest. In other words, we have a heavy liquidation at $39.70, let's just say round number $40. Then of course we got a lot of liquidation down here at about $35 with some new longs at about $34.80. Okay, so it really just tells us that we're in a situation right now where there's more shorts than longs leveraged at this current point with a lot of liquidation occurring, and we could see the price swing back up to sweep that level. And again, just to clarify, once again, $40 just as a round number here, $40 looks like this. This is roughly the next level or target if the price were to recover this weekend. Again, emphasis on if, we don't truly know, but just generally speaking, that's something we want to pay attention to, right? So take a look at the daily time frame. Let's double check a couple of factors here and just kind of work our way down. AVAX is not in dire straits, but it's certainly not great either. It's one of the few coins, actually no, correction, there's a handful of coins now that are starting to be under the 20-day SMA, Solana included, right? So if you look at the 20-day SMA, we've been below that for a while. So that is not a great sign, but we're above the 50. We're above this secondary support at about 34.30, but we are tentatively below this $38 mark. Okay, now $38 is a big deal for us. That's one of those levels that we've never truly closed below, if you exclude the last couple of trading days, right? So ever since Bitcoin started doing this crazy manic behavior, we're starting to see the price of AVAX decrease in value. So having said that, we're under 50 on the RSI, not a great sign, and stochastic swinging down, along with the MACD diverging. So put all that together, what does that mean? Well, that's mostly bearish, with the exception of having a couple of indicators kind of letting us know we could be okay, but we don't go on could be's or should be's. We go on legitimate data here, and as we can see, we can take a look at the most recent time frame here. We can identify that I think it was right around right around 40. Yeah, $41 is the heaviest concentration of volume. So we're kind of below that volume profile too. That's not a good sign. However, we take a look at the 4-hour. This could be shifting momentum. Let's double check and see. We can see we got this little bounce tentatively off 30 on the money flow index. Stochastic RSI is trying to swing but hasn't yet. And of course, we got the traditional RSI kind of hanging out at 40. So all in all, not terrible shape. And then we can see that MACD is also trying to converge but hasn't yet. So again, we got a lot of trying tos and hoping fors, these things we were wanting to see happen that are not fully confirmed yet. Okay, so again, just know the 4-hour time frame does not give us any bullish signs per se. And again, with us being under this $38 mark, I'll pull this out a little further for later. We got to respect the fact that that's going to be a potential resistance for us when the price comes back up. We are also under the 20-day SMA as well. Not a great sign. Okay. Again, I misspoke, to the 200-day SMA on the 4-hour. That's a pretty big notification there, kind of letting us know we're on the absolute wrong side of the tracks. Take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, though. We are still below the cloud. We're still looking at a significant divergence here. And all in all, not the greatest situation. So the truth is, we're not in fantastic shape here right now. So ultimately what we're looking for is for the price action to be back up again, up over 38. That to me is confirmation for a long. Right now, we technically have confirmation that a short position is viable. Again, everything we've looked at so far, not that I want to short this coin, but we've been shorting the heck out of a lot of these coins here on our Premium Plus group. So to give you perspective, Matic is one of those big ones, but we have some longs open for ETH. However, if we take a look, BNB, Ethereum, Solana, Litecoin, Solana, and we do also have an AVAX trading pair on our Premium Plus group, but it didn't trigger. It has like a larger time frame indicators, essentially, kind of letting us know. So the long story short here is that we've got some nice profits to the downside. Some of our bots are shifting momentum to the upside now, so there is possibility we'll see recovery. I would just be very careful. Okay, again, keep your head on a swivel if you're trading. Make sure you just pay close attention to your trades. That's really the bottom line. especially if you're swing trading right now. Low leverage, low position size is king. That's the only reason why we're surviving these markets and we're not getting destroyed is because we use low leverage. Yes, it'll swing down sometimes, but for the most part, it hits its target when we set them, okay? I'm just choosing not to take too many trades right now because of what's going on soon. Just be mindful of that. All right, that's the important stuff there. The last thing is extremely important too. This offer is going away here soon. $5,500 in benefit rewards if you use link down below to register for Bitunix. Again, we use them because they're no KYC, no VPN exchange. They're highly reliable. Yes, they have a few less trading pairs than BingX or a Bitget, which is true. Those are our other affiliates. But the no KYC or VPN is a big deal. Okay, so a lot of folks, you can still trade majority of the coins that I cover on this exchange. Check them out. We also have trading competitions with them too. And there is one coming up here for January 8th. Okay, so be mindful. That's going to be next week. I think that's Monday, if I'm not mistaken. And should be an interesting little thing. So check that out, of course. Use my link to register. You'll be eligible for that. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.